So thank you for joining me for a coffee with the editor. We are here in Addis. I am with Eric, and we've spent the last 3 days talking about the Africa Integrated High-Speed Railway Network. Eric's going to take us through what we've been discussing. Eric, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you very much, Philippa. First of all, this workshop comes as a follow-up of a continental workshop we had in July this year in Midrand, South Africa. The workshop, the main objective was, again, to look at the progress made in terms of implementation of the pilot railway projects under the African Integrated High-Speed Railway Network. This is a flagship project under AU Agenda 2063. The objective of the workshop was mainly to see the status of implementation, but also discuss among the key director generals of railway agencies in Africa, the CEOs, and also the key railway partners to discuss the challenges in terms of getting the right capital expenditure for the railway projects, and also be able to see some of the regulatory challenges in making sure these projects move from the feasibility to construction and getting to financial close. So the workshop other main objective was to also look at how to accelerate ratification of the Luxembourg Protocol, and lastly the other objective was to kind of establish a platform for exchange of information, be able to to track changes on these projects, and be able to also extend on capacity building, because capacity building is very critical. Currently, we don't have a lot of people who are skilled in the railway sector, so we need to collaborate with the universities, with the training centers, and be able to, for example, establish railway centers of excellence for improving the railway sector in Africa.
What are your key takeaways?
I might say that the workshop was very successful in the ways that not only it was a discussion during the meeting, but we also had an opportunity to have a visit on one of the operational standard gauge railway projects, Addis Ababa Djibouti Railway Project. The visit was organized by the CEO of the Ethiopia Railways Corporation. So it was an opportunity to see things on the ground. How are we, improving in terms of the passenger and also cargo freight and movement, and improving on efficiencies on railway projects. So the key takeaways I can say is that the railway implementing agencies have once again committed to work together, to collaborate, to strengthen coordination, not only among themselves, but also to engage the footprint member states on those railway projects, to be able to advance implementation, be able to collaborate and find common solution in terms of financing options, be able, for example, to do some joint procurement arrangements, and be able to move faster and implement these projects.